Planet Earth, our home, a place of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled diversity. Join me as we explore the top 10 most dangerous natural disasters in the world. Earthquakes born from the shifting tectonic plates can strike with terrifying speed and force. In 2011, Japan's coast was hit by a magnitude 9.0 earthquake, triggering a devastating tsunami. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake unleashed a tsunami that ravaged coastlines across 14 countries. These events remind us of the immense power beneath the surface. Understanding earthquakes is crucial to mitigating the risks they pose to millions. Tsunamis are powerful surges that can travel across entire oceans at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour. These colossal waves are often triggered by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or even landslides. The energy they carry is immense, capable of crossing entire ocean basins without losing much of their power. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a massive undersea earthquake, claimed over 230,000 lives. This tragic event highlighted the sheer destructive force of tsunamis and the vulnerability of coastal communities. Entire towns were obliterated, and the landscape was forever altered. Unlike wind-driven waves, tsunami waves carry their energy far inland, sweeping away everything in their path. Buildings, trees, and vehicles are no match for the relentless force of these waves. The water surges with such power that it can travel miles inland, causing widespread destruction. The impact extends beyond immediate devastation, with saltwater inundation and debris clogging waterways. The aftermath of a tsunami can lead to long-term environmental damage, affecting freshwater supplies and agricultural land. Recovery and rebuilding efforts can take years, if not decades. Early warning systems and public awareness are crucial in mitigating the risk of tsunamis. Advances in technology have made it possible to detect undersea earthquakes and issue timely warnings. Community drills and education programs help ensure that people know how to respond when a tsunami warning is issued. Understanding warning signs, like rapidly receding shorelines, can save lives. When the ocean suddenly pulls back, exposing the seafloor, it's a natural indicator that a tsunami is imminent. Recognizing these signs and acting quickly can make the difference between life and death. Hurricanes, also known as cyclones or typhoons, bring destructive winds, torrential rainfall, and storm surges. These powerful storms can form over warm ocean waters and grow in intensity as they move towards land, causing widespread devastation. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina left a path of destruction from Louisiana to Alabama. The storm surge overwhelmed levees, leading to catastrophic flooding in New Orleans. Thousands of homes were destroyed, and the city faced a long and difficult recovery. Hurricane Maria devastated the Caribbean, highlighting the long-lasting consequences of these storms. Puerto Rico was particularly hard hit, with widespread power outages and infrastructure damage that took years to repair. The storm underscored the vulnerability of island communities to such natural disasters. The destructive power of hurricanes lies in their immediate impact and lingering effects. Beyond the initial damage, these storms can lead to prolonged periods of displacement for residents, economic hardship, and significant environmental changes. Preparation and timely evacuation are crucial in mitigating the risk of hurricanes. Communities often have to make quick decisions to protect lives and property, relying on emergency responders and local authorities to guide them through the process. Coastal communities rely on accurate forecasting and early warning systems. Meteorologists use advanced technology to predict the path and intensity of hurricanes, providing crucial information that helps residents and officials prepare for the storm's arrival. These systems are vital in reducing the potential loss of life and property. Tornadoes, rapidly rotating columns of air, can pack winds exceeding 300 miles per hour. These powerful natural phenomena are capable of causing immense destruction in a matter of minutes. In 2011, Joplin, Missouri, experienced a massive EF5 tornado, the deadliest since 1947. This catastrophic event left a trail of devastation, with entire neighborhoods reduced to rubble and countless lives forever changed. Tornadoes' intense, localized winds can transform everyday objects into deadly projectiles. Pieces of debris, such as wood, metal, and glass, can be hurled at incredible speeds, posing significant risks to anyone in their path. The United States experiences the highest frequency of tornadoes globally. The central part of the country, often referred to as Tornado Alley, is particularly prone to these violent storms. Advanced warning systems, storm shelters and public awareness are crucial. Meteorologists use sophisticated technology to predict and track tornadoes, providing vital information to the public. Knowing what to do when a tornado warning is issued can save lives. It's essential to have a plan in place. Understand the warning signs and seek shelter immediately to protect yourself and your loved ones. Volcanoes, windows into the fiery heart of our planet, can erupt with spectacular violence. In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius buried Pompeii under ash and pumice. In 1980, Mount St. Helens's eruption reshaped the surrounding landscape. Pyroclastic flows and lahars pose diverse dangers. Volcanic ash can disrupt air travel and pose health risks. Monitoring volcanic activity and having evacuation plans are crucial. Floods, often triggered by heavy rainfall or dam failures, can occur with little warning. In 1931, China experienced one of the deadliest natural disasters when the Yangtze and Huai rivers overflowed. Floodwaters carry contaminants, spreading disease and polluting water sources. Climate change is exacerbating the risk of flooding in many parts of the world. Investing in flood control infrastructure and early warning systems is crucial. Wildfires, fueled by dry vegetation and driven by wind, can rage across vast landscapes. In 2019, Australia experienced one of its worst wildfire seasons, consuming over 46 million acres. The ecological impact of wildfires is profound, with habitats destroyed and wildlife populations decimated. Managing forests responsibly and raising public awareness are essential steps in mitigating wildfires. Droughts, prolonged periods of abnormally low rainfall, pose a significant threat to human societies and ecosystems. In the 1930s, the Great Plains experienced the Dust Bowl, displacing millions and causing widespread economic hardship. Crop failures lead to food shortages and price spikes. Addressing climate change is crucial to mitigate the frequency and severity of droughts. Water conservation measures and sustainable land management practices are essential. Landslides, the sudden movement of rock, earth or debris down a slope, pose a constant threat. In 2013, Uttarakhand, India, experienced a catastrophic landslide triggered by heavy monsoon rains. The immense force of landslides can bury homes and block roads, isolating communities. Human activities such as deforestation and mining can exacerbate the risk. Understanding the factors that contribute to landslides and establishing early warning systems are crucial. Avalanches, sudden releases of snow down a mountainside, pose a constant threat in high-altitude regions. In 2015, Mount Everest was struck by a devastating avalanche triggered by an earthquake. Avalanches can travel at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, carrying millions of tons of snow and debris. Human activity in backcountry areas can increase the risk of triggering avalanches. Understanding avalanche conditions and carrying appropriate safety gear are crucial. Natural disasters remind us of our place within the grand scheme of the natural world. These events play a vital role in shaping our planet's ecosystems and driving evolution. It's essential to study, learn and adapt to the ever-present threat of natural disasters while respecting the power of nature.